Gumroad versus Payhip. Which platform is actually better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Gumroad. Gumroad provides a straightforward platform for creators to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and music. It offers a user friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to set up and start selling. Charges transaction fees, allowing creators to keep more of their profits compared to platforms with monthly subscription costs. It supports various digital products, making it versatile for creators across different industries. Offers analytics tools that help creators track their sales and audience engagement, providing insights to improve performance. It charges higher transaction fees, which may reduce overall earnings, especially for creators with higher sales volumes. Offers fewer customization options for storefronts, which could limit branding opportunities for some users. It also lacks extensive integration options with third party tools, which might be limiting for creators looking for advanced features. Now, let's come towards Payhip. Payhip offers tools for selling digital products, courses, and subscriptions, providing a versatile platform for creators. It includes tools for managing VAT, making it easier for creators to handle international sales. Offers unlimited products and storage, allowing creators to scale without worrying about limits. It provides affiliate marketing tools to help creators grow their audience and boost sales. Payhip allows users to embed the store on their own website, making it more flexible for those who want to maintain their own branding. Charges a fee on the free plan, which may increase as the creator's business grows. Payhip's customization options are limited compared to other platforms, restricting branding options. Offers only basic analytics features, lacking in depth reporting compared to other platforms. Choosing between Gumroad and Payhip depends on your specific needs. Gumroad is perfect for creators who want a simple, easy to use platform with varied pricing options, while Payhip offers more flexibility with VAT handling and affiliate marketing tools. Consider your business size and feature requirements to choose the platform that suits your needs best. That's all for the video.